In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach files in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Google Sheets doesn't let you attach files directly to individual cells like you can do in some spreadsheet programs. However, you can easily link files stored in Google Drive so anyone with access can open them directly from your spreadsheet. Now, there's a couple of different methods what we can try. So method one here is to insert a smart chip. So smart chips are the easiest and cleanest way to attach a file. So first step is to open up Google Sheets, then click the cell where you want the file attachment. And then in there, go ahead and type in the @ symbol and then start typing in the name of your Google Drive file. Then select the correct file from the list that appears and then hit enter. So I'm going to click onto files here and then just go ahead and find what you're looking for. If you know the name, go ahead and put into it. So that's going to open up that. Now the next way to do this is to go ahead and open up Google Drive. And then once we're inside Drive, find that file that you would like to attach inside of Google Sheets. So I'm going to go ahead and use this file here. So I'm going to click onto it and then click onto share. Now we want to go ahead and click on copy publish site link, or if it's got here, I'm just going to change this to anyone with the link. And then I'm going to copy the link here and then come back here. And we want to right click on the cell and then click on insert link, search or paste the link. So I'm going to go and paste that link in and click put a name to that, click apply, and then that's going to take me over to that file